Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV&MC, giving you a closer look at the tire repair trail kit from Tusk. So no matter what type of rider you are, whether you're on a motorcycle, playing around your ATV or your UTV, one item that we always say is a must-have is a tire repair kit. We can tell you from our own experience, whether we're out riding our motorcycles, playing around in our UTVs, we have had our fair share of flat tires. So we can tell you from our experience, it's always best to be prepared. So with that in mind, we've got this tire repair trail kit coming from Tusk. So we're just gonna go through, open it up, show you everything that comes included to see if this is gonna be ideal for you. So the carrying case, it's nylon, so it's plenty durable, nice and small, lightweight, so you can really pack it just about anywhere you want to. But as I open this up, look at the inside here. So on the inside, you're gonna have multiple different ways that you can fix a flat tire. So first off, if you're gonna be patching a flat tire, you're gonna have 6 various size patches that are gonna come inside. So you've got your 6 different patches. You've also, if you're gonna be plugging a tire, you're gonna have 10 rubber plugs that come included. So there's your patches and your plugs. Now to go along with those, you're gonna have 2 12-gram tubes of rubber solution. So I'll pop those out. Also, if you're gonna be using the tire plugs, you're gonna have this little knife that comes included, so if you need to, you can cut off the excess length from those tire plugs. On the other side, you're gonna have your reamer. So if you're plugging a tire, you've got the reamer to do that. Also keep in mind, we have a great video where we actually showed you how to use a tire plug kit, so give that a watch if you've never done it. But you've got your tire reamer, you're gonna have your rubber plug installer, and then when it comes to the CO2 cartridges, you're going to have 3 16-gram CO2 cartridges that come included in this package. You're also gonna have a CO2 inflator as well, and what's nice about this is that it actually has this hose on the end of it. So depending on the wheel that you have, your offset, sometimes the valve stems are kind of hard to get to. So what's nice about this hose just makes it a little bit easier when it comes to installing this. So you've got your 3 CO2 cartridges. Also, you're gonna have a valve stem puller or core remover. And lastly, you're gonna have a low pressure tire gauge also to check your PSI. Now, a couple things we do wanna point out when it comes to the CO2 cartridges. You don't want to just assume that 3 is gonna be enough. It really depends on the machine that you're gonna be in. So for motorcycles, really, 2 CO2 cartridges per tire is gonna be enough to get your tires inflated, get you back out there, or get you back to where you need to go. But for UTVs and ATVs, it's really just gonna depend on your tire size. So for your smaller ATV and UTV tires, what we recommend is no less than 4 CO2 cartridges per tire. What we found is that 4 is the right amount to get you enough PSI in those smaller ATV, UTV tires to get you either back out on the trail or back to where you came from. But for your larger ATV and UTV tires, so I'm talking about your 26-inch and larger, we say 5 CO2 cartridges per tire. So this kit will come with 3, but if you wanna pick up some additional ones, you can see we've got a couple options there. We sell these in packs of 3, or we also have this tire inflator kit, which comes with 2 CO2 cartridges and your CO2 inflator. So it just depends on which route you want to take. But we always recommend have a few extra. And then on top of that, for your UTV guys, your ATVs, you know, for motorcycles, a little bit more difficult. Sometimes if you don't have a means to carry a pump with you, CO2 cartridge might be your best bet. But for ATVs and UTVs, we always say have CO2 cartridges as a last resort, but it's always best in our opinion just to have a pump with you. So if you don't have a pump already with you, well, we have a lot of different ones to choose from. We have a nice small compact pump here from Slime that we take on our adventure rides that we pack in our luggage, or for your ATVs and UTVs, we have larger pumps as well. And so there you go. If you're looking for a tire repair kit that's easy to take with you on the trail, on your motorcycle rides, ATVs, UTVs, you want everything that's gonna come included, well, this is your kit. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave those below, we'll get those answered. To pick up your kit, your pump, or whatever it might be, click on the link at the end of this video. Don't forget, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this little product spotlight, well, make sure, give it a thumbs up, get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That way you see the rest of our YouTube product spotlights, our how-to videos, and our buyer's guides that we're constantly filming. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.